Hi everyone! Meron akong butter cake dito. Gusto niyo bang matuto kung paano ito gawin? Halika, samahan niyo ako. By the way, yung ingredients pala natin, nakasulat ko sa description ng video na ito. So, para yung gustong matuto or gustong mag-try ng baking, sundin niyo po yung recipe. Then, mas maganda, panoorin niyo yung video para yung procedure natin, makita po ninyo kung paano natin ito ginawa. So, yung gusto dyan matuto mag-bake, come on, let's go! Today's video is about butterloaf cake. Here we are, we have the recipe prepared. Since this is butter cake, we apply a creaming method. No? So, once creaming method, you can mix together all the dry ingredients like the powder ingredients, then the butter, eggs, then liquid ingredients. So in the mixing bowl, we combine the sugar and butter. So i-mix natin siya until mag-soften. So for the start, mahina lang muna. Then later on, i-adjust na lang natin yung speed. So when you see the sugar and butter is combined, you can now increase the speed. So pag ganyan, kailangan natin i-scrape yung ilalim kasi every now and then kailangan natin ma-mix lahat yung sugar sa butter. So i-ano muna natin, pahinaan ulit. Okay, then scrape down para yung sugar sa ilalim ma-mix. Let's proceed to mixing. Gradual lang, wag natin ibubuhos lahat. Yung mixing until the butter is cream and lightened. Then every now and then kailangan pa rin natin i-scrape down yung ilalim para ma-mix lahat. Okay, so scrape muna natin yung ilalim. So mapapansin natin na dissolved na yung sugar kasi yung color magla-lighten up na siya. Then magiging sticky na yung butter. So continue mixing lang up to several minutes. So at this point, makita natin na maganda na yung kulay niya. Kumalsa na rin yung butter. So pwede na natin ilagay yung powder ingredients. So kailangan pahinaan natin yung mixer. Okay? So wag natin ilalagay bigla, no? So ganun pa rin, unti-unti. One at a time. Ito muna yung creaming method. Mas madali na yung paggawa mo ng cakes or cookies. Kasi mas gusto ko yung creaming method dahil mas maganda yung volume, mas maganda yung texture ng butter ng cake or cookies. So just continue doing it hanggang maubos lang yung flour. So last. So continue mixing until all the ingredients is mixed. So again, kailangan natin makikita natin sa ilalim hindi pa namasa lahat, no? Okay, so continue mixing. So next, i-add natin yung liquid ingredients, the milk and vanilla. Continue the process hanggang maubos yung liquid. So for this recipe, it's your option to use milk. You can also use pure water. Pero pag gusto mo na medyo mas malasa siya, pwede kang gumamit ng fresh milk or evaporated milk. Okay, so continue mixing hanggang sa ma-mix na talaga lahat. Okay, so it's smooth na. So meaning na-mix na natin lahat yung ingredients. Na-combine na lahat. So makikita mo naman pag smooth smooth na yung batter, pwede na natin kunin. Tapos na yung mixing. Okay. So, ang ganda ng texture. Very smooth. Okay, so scrape natin para maubos lahat yung nasa paddle. Okay. Okay, so dito gagawa pala tayo ng marble and chocolate checkered loaf cake. So here, kumuha tayo ng konting portion ng butter, then mag-add tayo ng cocoa powder. Okay? Then mix mo lang to hanggang sa mag-combine siya para meron kang chocolate mix. So again, for the recipe, see the description. Doon natin ilalagay ang complete recipes. Then if you have question, just write your comment. Sasagutin natin yan. There you go. So ito yung gagamitin natin pang marble. Okay, so ilagay natin sa molder. So dito gumawa ako ng dalawang portion. So we have the chocolate and the butter. So ito yung gagamitin natin para sa checkered board cake. So apply natin, paikot. Okay. Then i-add natin yung chocolate. So yung magkikreate ng checkered board effect later. Okay. So let's continue. So alternate lang siya. Continue the process hanggang sa mapuno mo yung lalagyan. So gawin din natin yun sa butter loaf. So ganun din ang procedure, alternate. Okay. So overlapping. Yan. So nasa sa inyo kung ano yung gustong design ninyo sa marble cake. Later on, pakita ko din yung ibang technique. Masyadong punuin kasi mag-overflow yan pag alsa. Okay, so that's it. So yun ba? Bigyan natin. Okay. Then lagyan natin ng chocolate sa ibabaw. Okay. Then using the fork, just make a spiral movement to create the marble effect. That's it. So all the remaining loaf will be a plain loaf. Okay. Okay, so at this point, kailangan natin lagyan ng oil, slit sa ibabaw. Ang purpose nito is pag bake siya, aalsa yung cake, maganda yung pag-alsa niya. Even. Kasi parang tinulungan natin siya mag break yung ibabaw. So during baking, the leavening agent, the baking powder will react. So it make the cake rise. So without this, madideform yung cake natin. So it's like a guide for baking. You may use melted butter. Pwede din yung melted margarine or shortening, or edible oil. You can also use edible oil. Let's bake it. We'll bake it for about 25 to 30 minutes. Depende sa oven natin. Usual nito dito sa oven na ginagamit ko is about 30 to 35 minutes for init ng oven, 170 degrees or 350 to 360 Fahrenheit. Okay, so let's bake it. Okay, so we're baking it. See? Rise well. Here we are. It's already baked. So ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, yung slitting. Kung hindi maganda yung pagka-slit, hindi natin nilagyan ng oil slit sa ibabaw, hindi yan siya mag-aalsa ng ganyan. You see? Even ang shape niya, pare-pareho. Diba? So ito yung marble and checkered board. So mamaya i-slice natin yan, makikita natin yung loob. Then here, gumawa din ako ng chocolate filled butter cake. Then ito yung plain butter loaf cake. Okay? So here is the checkered board round cake. What a nice crack. Talagang umalsa siya ng gusto. That's what will happen kung ang oven temperature mo is eksakto yung temperature na sinet mo para sa product na binibake mo. And at the same time, kung maganda yung baking powder or leavening agent na ginamit mo. Okay, so slice natin para makita natin yung loob. So ito yung chocolate effect niya sa loob. There you go. Okay. Then we have the marble. There you go. Here's the plain loop. You see that color inside, it's golden yellow. Ay, sana nagustuhan niyo yung video na napanood nyo. Kung meron kayong mga question, isulat nyo lang po sa comment section para masagot natin yan. So, para sa susunod na mga video, yung gusto manood, please follow and share. Thank you so much for your support. Bye-bye!